Benefits of drinking bay leaf tea before bed. Do you struggle to wind down after a long day? Ever find yourself tossing and turning, unable to drift off into a peaceful slumber? Well, what if I told you there's a natural remedy that not only helps you relax but also offers an abundance of health benefits? Today, we're diving into the world of bay leaf tea and uncovering the wonders it can do for you. But what are the real benefits of drinking bay leaf tea before bed? And how do you make it at home? Well, stick around because, in this video, I'm going to answer all of your questions and more. I'll tell you about the 10 amazing health benefits of bay leaf tea when consumed before bed, so you can decide for yourself if it's worth adding to your daily routine. But before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our amazing health tips and tricks. Now, let's jump right into the top 10 health benefits of drinking bay leaf tea before bed. Benefit number 1, promotes relaxation. After a hectic day, winding down can feel like a challenge. But fear not, because bay leaf tea is here to help. Packed with compounds like linalool, a natural relaxant, this soothing beverage gently calms both mind and body. As you sip your warm cup, you'll feel the tension of the day melt away, leaving you in a state of blissful tranquility. Incorporating bay leaf tea into your bedtime routine creates a sacred ritual, signaling to your brain that it's time to unwind and prepare for rest. So kick back, take a deep breath, and let the comforting aroma of bay leaf tea guide you into a peaceful night's sleep. Benefit number 2, aids digestion. Let's face it, there's nothing worse than going to bed with a bloated belly. But with bay leaf tea as your nighttime companion, you can say goodbye to digestive discomfort. This herbal elixir works wonders on your gut, soothing inflammation and promoting healthy digestion. As you sip on your cup of tea, you'll feel the tension in your stomach easing, allowing you to drift off into dreamland with ease. Plus, the gentle warmth of the tea helps relax your digestive muscles, ensuring that everything flows smoothly as you sleep. So next time you indulge in a hearty meal, remember to brew yourself a cup of bay leaf tea for a digestion-friendly nightcap. Benefit number 3, boosts immunity. In today's fast-paced world, keeping your immune system in top shape is more important than ever. Thankfully, bay leaf tea is here to give your body the extra boost it needs. Loaded with antioxidants and vitamins, this herbal concoction strengthens your immune defenses while you catch those Z's. As you sip on your nightly cup, you're not just indulging in a soothing beverage, but you're also fueling your body with the nutrients it needs to fend off illness and stay healthy. So go ahead, cozy up with a mug of bay leaf tea, and let its immune-boosting powers work their magic while you sleep soundly through the night. Benefit number 4, regulates blood sugar. For those with diabetes or prediabetes, managing blood sugar levels is crucial for overall health and well-being. Luckily, bay leaf tea may offer some assistance in this department. Studies have shown that certain compounds found in bay leaves can help regulate blood sugar levels, making it a valuable addition to a diabetic-friendly diet. By incorporating bay leaf tea into your nightly routine, you can help stabilize your blood sugar levels and reduce the risk of spikes and crashes. So why not give your pancreas a helping hand? Pour yourself a cup of bay leaf tea and toast to better blood sugar control. Benefit number 5, reduces anxiety. In a world filled with stress and uncertainty, finding moments of peace and calm is essential for our mental well-being. That's where bay leaf tea comes in. This herbal remedy has been prized for its anxiety-relieving properties for centuries, thanks to its rich array of natural compounds. As you sip on a warm cup of bay leaf tea before bed, you'll feel the weight of the day lifting off your shoulders, replaced by a sense of serenity and ease. The soothing aroma of the tea further enhances its calming effects, creating the perfect atmosphere for relaxation. So, if you find yourself tossing and turning with worry at night, why not swap out your usual nighttime beverage for a cup of bay leaf tea? Your mind and body will thank you for it. Before we move on, I'd love to hear from you. Have you tried bay leaf tea before? Share your stories, experiences, or tips in the comments below. Your insights could help others on their journey toward natural wellness. Let's move on to benefit number 6, improves respiratory health. breathing, it's something we often take for granted until it becomes difficult. Whether you suffer from allergies, asthma, or just the occasional stuffy nose, respiratory issues can make it hard to get a good night's sleep. But fear not, because bay leaf tea is here to help. When you sip on this herbal brew before bed, the steam helps to open up your airways, making it easier to breathe deeply and effortlessly. Plus, bay leaf tea contains compounds like cineol, which have been shown to have expectorant properties, helping to clear mucus and congestion from your lungs. So, if you're struggling to catch your breath at night, try incorporating bay leaf tea into your nightly routine and experience the soothing relief for yourself. Benefit number 7, enhances sleep quality. We all know how important sleep is for our overall health and well-being. But for many of us, getting a good night's sleep seems like an elusive dream. That's where bay leaf tea comes in. This herbal brew has been shown to improve the quality of sleep, helping you achieve those deep, restorative REM cycles that leave you feeling refreshed and rejuvenated in the morning. Thanks to its calming effects on the nervous system, bay leaf tea can help you fall asleep faster and stay asleep longer, ensuring you wake up feeling rested and ready to take on the day. Benefit number 8, relieves muscle pain. Muscle pain, it's something we've all experienced at one time or another. Whether it's from a tough workout, a long day at work, or just the aches and pains of aging, muscle soreness can make it hard to relax and unwind at the end of the day. But before you reach for the painkillers, consider reaching for a cup of bay leaf tea instead. This herbal brew contains natural anti-inflammatory compounds that can help alleviate muscle soreness and tension, leaving you feeling more comfortable and at ease. Plus, the warmth of the tea can help increase blood flow to your muscles, promoting faster healing and recovery. Benefit number 9, supports heart health. Your heart, it's the hardest working muscle in your body, pumping blood and oxygen to every corner of your being. So it's important to take care of it, and bay leaf tea can help. This herbal brew has been shown to lower cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease, making it a valuable addition to any heart-healthy lifestyle. Thanks to its antioxidant properties, bay leaf tea can help protect your heart from damage caused by free radicals, while its anti-inflammatory effects can help reduce inflammation in your arteries, improving blood flow and circulation. Benefit number 10, promotes weight loss. Losing weight, it's something many of us aspire to, but few of us achieve. But with the help of bay leaf tea, you may be able to reach your weight loss goals more easily. This herbal brew has been shown to boost metabolism and promote fat loss, making it a valuable tool in any weight loss journey. Thanks to its thermogenic properties, bay leaf tea can help increase your body's calorie-burning potential, while its appetite-suppressing effects can help curb cravings and prevent overeating. Plus, bay leaf tea is low in calories and caffeine-free, making it a healthy and sustainable choice for anyone looking to shed those extra pounds. Now, I know you're probably wondering, how can I make this magical elixir at home? Well, it's simpler than you think. To make bay leaf tea at home, simply bring water to a boil in a saucepan. Add 2 to 3 dried bay leaves to the boiling water and let them simmer for about 5 to 10 minutes. Remove the saucepan from heat and allow the tea to steep for an additional 5 minutes. Strain the leaves from the tea and pour it into a cup. You can add honey or lemon for extra flavor if desired. Enjoy your soothing and aromatic bay leaf tea. Dear viewers, that's it for today's video. These are the top 10 health benefits of drinking bay leaf tea before bed. It's incredible how this simple tea can have such a profound impact on our well-being. I encourage you to incorporate bay leaf tea into your daily routine. As always, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and share it with your loved ones who might benefit from this knowledge. Also, remember to subscribe to our channel for more videos on health and wellness. If there are any other health topics you'd like us to cover, please leave a comment down below. Thank you so much for joining us today. We're always exploring new ways to bring health and happiness into your lives, and we look forward to sharing more natural remedies and wellness tips with you. So, stay tuned for our next video, and until then, eat well, stay healthy, and take care of yourselves.